Sage Intacct is a cloud-based system, so I like that I could be anywhere. Like I went to Fiji this last summer and I could take Sage Intacct with me and not skip a beat. So if anything happened in the office, I had the capabilities of getting into the system. I'm Sophia Shafiq, work for Red and White Fleet, controller, been there for about 3 years. When I joined, they were using QuickBooks. I came from a bigger corporate environment, so I was used to something a little bit more robust. 2 months into it, trying to get basic financial reports was a nightmare. So the accounting software that I considered was Sage Intacct, MAP, SAP, and Peachtree. What stood out for Sage Intacct to me was the dashboard use, the ability for it to be scalable, and its ease of use, and the fact that it had roles and responsibilities that I could tack on any individuals. Sage Intacct has helped us expand the business by giving us real-time data. Dashboards have enabled me to push out real-time data to my directors instantaneously and allowed me to kind of communicate with them sooner than later. Putting together the board report from Sage Intacct is like a piece of cake. It literally takes me 2 seconds to give them these reports because the data in the system is accurate, and we're confident that the data output that we're providing is accurate data. Now, instead of harping on what happened, we use the data and forecast. It's more about where are we going with the data that we have. As a result of switching to Sage Intacct, we are able to bill our customers faster and get paid a lot quicker. The turnaround time, I think, went from about 14 days to about 7. It's great for revenue. It's also great for cash inflow as well as our balance sheet, because now our AR is a lot lower than our AP, which we like. Having it be a shorter window has helped cash flow probably about 30 or 40K each week. We just purchased a new boat. And so the extra cash helps us finance our boat. It also helps us create new projects, new ideas that we have coming in, and kind of actually executing on those ideas. And so I think I've become a very good partner to the business.